Hi, and welcome to a DIY Family Christmas Ornament Special with Miss Jo. Today I have some wonderful ornaments to show you how to make, and these are also the ones that are going to be in your ornament kit, and you can sign up for that on our Facebook page. So the first one I want to show you is our cinnamon salt dough ornaments. And I'll show you that I've already mixed the cinnamon, flour, and salt in my tub here. And then the next thing you need to do is you're going to add a cup to a cup and a half of water depending on how big your batch is. So I'm just going to go ahead, and I've got gloves on because this can get a little messy here, but I'm going to keep stirring this up because I want to show you how fun this dough can be. So I'm going to just stir this around until I get the consistency that I need here. All right. So when you get it all mixed up and roll it into a smooth looking ball, your dough is going to look something like this, and it smells wonderful. But advise your little ones not to take a bite out of it because it's going to taste really, really salty. But that's what your dough looks like, and the basic dough is 3 cups of flour, a cup of salt, and a half a cup of cinnamon. Then now let me take off my gloves here, and I'm going to show you what the finished product looks like. Now, these are what I made out of the cinnamon salt dough and this cute little gingerbread man. So I just used regular tempera paint on this. You can leave them plain for a more rustic look. Use any cookie cutters you might have at home. You bake them at 300 for about 45 minutes until they're nice and hard and dry. So have lots of fun with those. Okay, I'll set those aside. And our next ornament is going to be, put my gloves out of the way, this cute little guy. And these are pine cone gnomes. So I'm going to show you how to make one of those. This is what's going to be in your kit. These little pine cones I found at the store already had a hanger on them. So the next thing we're going to do is in your kit, you're going to have a little gnome hat like that. And I recommend you can use hot glue, but if you have younger members of your family helping you, tacky glue will work just as well. And I'll show you, we're going to take, and these are really easy. We're just going to put a strip of glue like that, and then you're going to take and kind of roll the hat into a cone shape. So that's going to look like that. Kind of hold it together with the kids, I always tell them hold it together and count. So we like count to the count of 10 or so, and then till the little hat holds together, just like that. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to, again, use a little bit of glue here. I'm going to, okay, and since little hands might have a hard time squeezing glue, you can put this out in a dish and have them use popsicle sticks. So the next thing, I'm going to take my hat and I'm going to glue his hat down, just like that. So there's the beginning of our little gnome. And then the next thing we want to do is give him a little bit of character. So I've got a little wooden bead here that I'm going to use. And so I'm just going to pop a little glue right there. And I'm going to kind of push his nose in just like that. Yeah, kind of find a, see? So there's his nose we've got on there. And last but not least, because what would a gnome be without his pom-pom? So I'm just going to put a little glue there. And put his pom-pom on right there and just kind of give it a little squeeze. And there you have it. So you can have a whole family of these little gnomes hanging on your tree. Now, the next one I want to show you is in your kit. There's going to be, and they're all different shapes. It's kind of a surprise, but you have wooden ornaments that look like this. You can take and put stickers on them. You could take and paint them. Dress them up any way you want to. And I did, and I think she turned out pretty spectacular. I put glue and glitter all over my angel there so it's nice and bright and shiny. Because can you have too much shiny on your Christmas tree? I don't think so. So we have that one. And then the last one I want to show you is, in your kit's going to be a bag with popsicle sticks. This one says sled, so there's enough popsicle sticks in there to make this cute little sled. But also, we have enough popsicle sticks in there that also a Christmas tree. And we have a couple of different kinds of Christmas stars that you can make. Your imagination is the limit. So how you do this cute little Christmas sleigh, and this, parents may have to help a little bit with, because this is one of the trickier ones, but it's very easy to make. As you can see, I have like the little tiny sticks like this, and then they'll also come with the 3 big sticks like this. So what we're going to do is, the first thing, if you can see my sled here, there's 2 here and 2 here, and then you make the middle one just a little bit higher, and that's going to form the body of the sled. And if you flip it over, how that all holds together is you're going to take, and you can gently cut with the scissors, have a parent help or an older sibling, but you can cut the stick in to 2 smaller pieces, and you're going to glue that across these little ones and hold that on so that they hold those sticks together. But also what happens is you're going to then turn it over, and you have your 2 big ones, and that are going to be your runners, and so they're going to kind of rest on the side like that. So you're going to glue both of those and kind of let it sit a minute before you turn it over. And then lastly, the piece, you take your last little stick, and that's going to be your front piece for your sleigh. And I like making mine a little more rustic looking, so I just used markers, but you again can paint them or put glitter on them. I suggest that you go ahead and color the sticks before you put the sled together, or paint them before you put the sled together. If you're going to use glitter, then you can go ahead and do that after you put it all together. As you can see, I love glitter, so I kind of used a silver Sharpie, and then I put glue and glitter all over that star. And the Christmas tree, I had some star sequins, but you could use whatever you have. And that one is just 3 sticks together. And then I cut one off on the top and the bottom there, the piece. And for the trunk, and this is a little simpler star, but it's just 2 triangles, and they're just glued here, here, and on the bottom. And then you glue one triangle on top of turn one upside down and one right side up, and glue the two triangles together. So all of this wonderful stuff is available in your DIY ornament kit that you can sign up for on our Facebook page. You'll get a popsicle ornament to make. You'll have the little gnome ornament to make. Also, a wooden ornament for you to decorate, and recipe for this cinnamon salt dough so you can create your own at home. But whatever you choose to do, and use your imagination, let it run wild, and have a wonderful time making your ornaments. And we'll see you next time. I hope you're having a fun Christmas season. Take care.